What I have here is the test directory that you downloaded opened in our tool set. And we're going to mess around down here in this bottom part. You can see I've selected terminal, and I'm going to type in Erl. The Erl application will execute, which is the REPL for Erlang. The REPL for Erlang lets us type in Erlang code and execute it directly. Here I'm typing in 2 plus 2, and notice I'm putting a period at the end because that completes my thought. Anytime you're completing a thought in Erlang, you close it with a period. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another thought. I want to compile and load the test.erl file you can see displayed above. And that worked fine. I can see that there. But if I type in the wrong file name, or if it can't find it, then I get this error message. It's non-existing. I can't find that file. But you can also use a function as a complete thought. You can have functions inside of functions, and that's great and fine. You can also use it as a complete thought. Here we're just going to do the print hello function you see up there, and everything worked just great. We know that because it says OK there at the bottom.